Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is another unboxing video. Guys, I've been looking for knives and I have bought so many different knives that did not work. So I've just been like waiting around and doing like little research, but I did find a meat cleaver. I've already used the meat cleaver. It's by Shark. It's a really good meat cleaver. And I paid like 60 bucks for it, which some people say I would not pay that much for it. Yeah, but you'll pay that much for a pocketbook, for a pair of shoes, or things like that. So this is the meat cleaver. And it works very, very, very well. Very well. So I found my meat cleaver. And guys, funny story. I was online and I ordered a meat cleaver before, and when I got the meat cleaver, it was this long. It was that big. I could not find a little meat cleaver to save me. I think I threw one away, and they actually sent me two, and I kept the other one because I said I'm gonna give it away to somebody for a gift. But I'm gonna put a picture up of that meat cleaver. Put a picture up right here. And you might can't tell how small it is just looking at the picture of it, but when I tell you it's this size, it was that size of meat cleaver. Okay, on to the next item. I have a bread knife. I make my own bread most of the time, and when I try to cut it, it just break all up because it be like that thick. I'll try to make it like enough, maybe 4 slices, and when I cut into a regular knife, it breaks all up. And I end up buying this knife. I've seen it online, and people who I communicate with on YouTube, like some of the items that they have, and they let me know that it's a good item. But it's a bread knife. It's a serrated bread knife. It's 8 inches. So that. And I also bought another grater. I had a grater, but it was fairly small. It was fairly small, so. Again, a YouTuber that I communicate with showed, Sees the Face with Teresa. She showed her grater. And this one, it comes with a guard on it. I'm glad it do, because a lot of times you kind of rub your hand across these things, they cut. But it comes with a guard on it, some type of guard on it that you can actually take it off. And it's just a grater. But it's a nice one. It's a nice grater. I don't know if you can see that. But it's by All Top Home and Kitchen. It came with a little brush. But yep, I bought me a grater. I'll similar stuff back. And last but not least, these knives that I've been looking for and I've been wanting them. I've been seeing these knives and different name brands and some with no name on it, but I'm a review person. I read reviews. So if the reviews ain't telling me what I want to hear, or telling me what I want to see, And another YouTuber that I just watched, she does a lot of cooking, and she had this in her links. Like I put links in my videos. She had links in her videos, and she recommended these knives. She actually used them, and she, like I said, she cook a lot, and it was great reviews on it. So these, I guess it's Cuisinart Advantage 12-piece knife set. And it's 12 pieces of 6 knives and 6 covers for the knives. And it comes with a slicing knife, a bread knife, I don't know what that says, Santoku knife, a utility knife, and a paring knife. Now this does have a bread knife, but I just got this. This just came in. This came in like yesterday or 2 days ago. I've been bought the bread knife. I had this bread knife for like a month. I still haven't opened it, but yep. I'm going to enjoy using these knives. They're pretty too. The colors, I love the colors. I'll take one out. Okay, it wasn't in the case. And they said be careful with these knives because they are very sharp. So, and this is the case. It has this little thing here to put on the tip of the knife. I don't know if I'm supposed to put that on a knife before I put it back in. Before I put it away, I have no idea. Maybe so, like that. I doubt it. And yeah, okay, so like that, and then it goes inside of here. And I'm happy that they have these tops to go to it, because these knives are very sharp to my understanding. Okay guys, so these are my kitchen gadgets that I have got, and I'm trying to like get because I cook again, I started cooking again. I'm back in the kitchen, and I would rather have the utensils that I need, and especially a good knife, than when I'm in there trying to cut, and the knife is so dull. I'm used to dull knives. I prefer dull knives because I don't like being cut. But for something, you need a Sharpie. Okay, so guys, you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave the links in the videos of each item that I showed, just in case you may want to purchase them. These are very inexpensive. The most expensive item was the meat cleaver. And if you click the link to order, if you click the link just to see, you'll see how much they cost, which, like I say, they're not all that expensive. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.